Alright guys, I'm going to do the quickest review you've probably ever seen on the MotoGate. I am putting this on my 08 Tundra. This is a standard Tundra, so, you know, I'm not sure if the TRD Pro or any of the other versions are the same width, but this should be generic for all trucks. I don't think they have a certain size. I didn't order it for a Tundra. It's just a MotoGate. That's what's so great about it. They pretty much can fit on most of your standard pickup trucks. And they are good for holding in dirt bikes, which is what I have in the back. I have an Enduro 2015 EC300 gas EC300R, which is for sale, by the way. Check me out. If you're interested, message me, let me know. I only want $4 grand for it. So here is what comes in the box. It was nicely packaged, but I already took it out before I decided to start doing this quick review. The only thing I've really noticed that I wish was a little better is that from the pictures and what I saw people posting online, I wish it was a little taller, you know, like maybe, I don't know, we'll see. I'll put it on there and see how tall it is. It would be nice if it comes, you know, dead even with the top of the bed and all the way down to the bottom. So we'll see what happens. This is beautiful. I like this here. But see, then when you do that, what happens is the little gap that I was talking about, I wish it was a little bit taller. That's exactly what I thought was going to happen when I ordered it, which is okay. I mean, I don't know. I guess I can loosen it a little bit at the top and tighten it more at the bottom, and then it will come down some to correct that, so that my gas tank doesn't slide out underneath, because that's mainly all I'm concerned about, because I've lost so many gas tanks before I got this. So yeah, I'm gonna give this a shot. Gonna do that little adjustment that I just said, see if I can bring it down a little more, and then yeah, take it down the road and go ride at the stunt lot, see what's happening. Alright, so there we go. I got it adjusted to where it's a little bit lower at the bottom. It's not perfect. I'm in a rush. The stunt lot is already in full effect and I'm late. So just wanted you guys to see what it looks like. I moved the ramp out of the way and now we're Gucci.
Running with the guy to get a first play, can't see me. Tripping now, I'm undefeated. Did your boy get first? Yeah, no, don't think so. Still ride KTM till I go. 24/7, we blowing that smoke. Cause my goons ride too strong, yeah. We stay flexed out for the camera. You ain't gon' catch up to me when I put the hammer down. And we block past another spike. And I ain't no cockbite, but I take your girlfriend on sight. And we ride down, and we ride down, and we ride down, and we ride down, we